Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This is Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, where I review and promote cloud-based products, info products, and anything that will help you make money online. Today I have yet another amazing product, which is actually called AmazePay. AmazePay is going live on the 27th of August 2022 at exactly 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time, and this product is being launched by two super affiliates, three of them actually, and Jani Kumar and Shabir Khan, and I believe one of their partners. And this one is, in a nutshell, a brand new Amazon approved technology that will help you create ultra fast, professional content rich, SEO optimized podcast affiliate websites in red hot niches within a very short time. And of course, this brand new software creates stunning podcast based affiliate websites for any niche of your choice, like weight loss, dating sites, paid self-improvement, more money online, cryptocurrency, technology, affiliate marketing, and of course personal finance, and over 250 other niches. If this is a product you are going to require, I will encourage you to use the first link below in my description area. That link will definitely bring you to this amazing bonus page for an amazing product called AmazePay. And when you arrive here, you will pick up a copy of this using this link, or indeed any of the other blue links scattered all over my page. And I will also show you the sales page, which is this, and also take you to the amazing software and training area of this very amazing product from my great friend Jani Kumar. And I can assure you that if making money online using affiliate based websites for podcasting to make money, and this is basically Amazon approved technology, this is a product you are going to require. We will go into details and speak more on what this is all about. Now let us take a look at the simple explanation from the Jani Kumar. Maybe I will leave that to you at your convenience. You will be able to take a look at exactly what it's going to do for you. But I believe that this is a timely exercise for you, because some of these capabilities, if you go to Fiverr Network or Upwork or any of the freelancing platforms where you can contract someone to do these things for you, you will be charged a lot of money on monthly basis, daily basis for such contracts. But here, this is going to give you Amazon approved AI cloud-based app that creates ultra fast professional content which SEO optimized podcast websites in red hot niches within seconds, within minutes actually. And of course, it has only 3 basic steps to have this done for you: money making affiliate sites that earn you commissions on daily basis. And of course, it is 100% beginner friendly. This is basically what this product is all about. Now, with that said, let us take a look at the very sales prices for this one. The front end for AmazePay goes for $17, and this very $17 will give you access to all my bonuses, which I'm going to show you, and of course will give you access to this membership of this very software, which is this very software itself. And now that will cost you just $17. And OTO number 1 in this case will be AmazePay Pro, which is $37, which is the Pro version, the unlimited version of the front end, which is advisable to buy. If you buy the front end, it's good. You buy also the OTO number 1, which is the Pro version, so that you take care of any shortcomings whatsoever. OTO number 2 will be the AmazePay built-in version, which goes for $47. This is built-in autoresponder, built-in opt-in form for unlimited subscriber, automate email notifications, and many advanced features you will be able to have under this very OTO number 2 for just $47. OTO number 3 will be the Amaze Profit Maximizer. It goes for $37. These are all optionals, but of course, if you want to have the complete package, there is no harm in doing so. OTO number 4 will be AmazePay Agency. It goes for $97, and this means that you will start your own agency with AmazePay Agency version and charge monthly fees with your customers. So that's another business in a box for you. OTO number 5 will be AmazePay Reseller, which goes for $67. That means you can get exclusive reseller license of this very product, AmazePay, and sell Amaze and make 100% profit across your entire funnel. And of course, they will be able to manage the service and support for your customers. I mean, that is what you need. So these are the amazing benefits you stand to get with this one, which I'm going to leave you to actually read at your convenience when you arrive here. And of course, it has also 30-day money back guarantee. And now this very stage brings us to the bonuses that I have for you. Bonuses that I believe are going to actually not only blow your mind, but will create values that you will find nowhere else. So now my bonus number one for AmazePay is the ultimate commission toolbox. This is a toolbox that contains digital marketing tools online that can help you start from scratch and scale your business to 10,000 a month using over 1,000 tools that you have at your disposal with just this one link that I titled the commission toolbox. So you have basically nothing to worry. Every tool imaginable online is inside these 1,000 tools that I'm talking about. So you have that as my bonus number one. My bonus number two will be exactly access to product vault. These are 17 amazing products, training courses and softwares, bot systems that will definitely help you, Chrome extensions that will help you begin to actually learn from scratch how to operate online, to make money. Okay, so that's bonus number two. Bonus number three will be 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot, animation and automation system that will make you up to $1,000 a day. And here you are talking about 4-figure a day benefits that you may be able to stand to get using this very amazing tutorial. Bonus number four will be how to rank any site of your choice on page number one on Google. This is amazing. Without visibility, without ranking, I don't think any website or any offer out there will make ends meet. So that's what you have there. These are tailored to bring out values for you. Now, my bonus number five will be how to create free professional websites in 25 minutes. Instead of contracting people on Fiverr to do it at exorbitant prices, you'll be able to learn how to do it yourself from scratch. This is value reading bonus that I'm offering you here. And now, with that said, you will see that any of these buttons, when you click them, when you arrive from the button in my description area, it will take you to the sales page where you are definitely going to be able to use the blue links here to actually sign up on this one. When you do click this link, it will take you to my Water Plus account where you are going to definitely be able to purchase this product. After your purchase, under your purchase history, you will find a page that looks like this with two buttons. This one gives you access to the AmazePay product, and here you have this blue one giving you access to the amazing bonuses that I have shown you. I have another page of bonus that we are going to run through that is going to be yours. But remember, from this very day, which is the 26th, I have about 5 days left. But from the day of this launch, 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time on the 27th of August, this would have been like 4 days remaining. That means you have to hurry to get this product before this timeline goes down. And with that said, let me run through the second page of bonuses that I have for you. I will not waste time with that so that we see what you have. Here are all training courses and software. Latitude is number one. TweetX is number one, which helps you siphon traffic from Twitter. And number two will be, of course, Insurgency. Number three, which is how to master Facebook ads for affiliate marketing. And number four will be Lazy Traffic Sniper, which gives you the opportunity to snipe traffic to your offers. And here you have number five, JavaScript Commission Bot, which is how to make 4-figure daily commissions. Just like one of my bonuses, 0 to 1,000 per day on autopilot. You will learn a lot with this. Bonus number 6 will be the long life formula, which is a beginner-friendly lecture on how to start and scale digital marketing online. So, I mean, these are all you have from me. Now, let us actually take a look at the amazing dashboard area of this product, which is called AmazePay, an Amazon technology approved software that is going to help you create podcasting sites that will be there for affiliate marketing. Okay, so you have a dashboard area, site creation, site setting, pages, affiliate setting, banner ads, manage blogs, bonus, and of course the most important thing is the tutorial here. So this is exactly where you are going to find all the information you need on how to actually get this working. These are training videos that you're going to have access to. Okay, this is the first video where you log in, how to create your site on Amazon, and then of course how to add site setting in AmazePay, and how to add everything is there from A to Z. You'll be able to go through this training, which are short videos that I can assure you. With this, you have basically nothing to worry. It's like replicating what has given results, and of course put it into practice. So it is a training course and very amazing tutorial software that is going to help you build these capabilities, and then of course give you the opportunity to have an agency business in a box, which you can also outsource and of course make money using sales. So you have no reason not to get this very amazing apparatus and begin to make money as early as today. Okay, but making up your mind on that is going to be entirely in your own court. I can only present this as a review, and I know Anjani Kumar is very good with his partner Shabi Khan. They are very good with these things. Okay, so in that case, we will going to leave it at this, and when you go through this training, you'll be able to put this into practice. Create your site setting pages and all that, and of course the affiliate setting, everything is included here. So now let us take a brief look at the sales page and see what we have here. I believe at your convenience, like I said before, you will be able to monitor this and see what is going to do for you. AmazePay, the world's first cloud-based Amazon-approved software that will create money-making audio-based podcast affiliate sites for you with zero technical work required, because everything is basically done for you. So, like I said before, at your convenience, you will be able to go through this. I believe the vendors, they have bonuses that are going to be yours. If we can locate them, maybe we sack them and see that they help you make up your mind. Bonus number 1 from the vendor will be AI writer with resale rights, and you have bonus number 2 will be voice over generator with resale rights, and bonus number 3 will be cloud storage with resale rights. And those are 3 bonuses from the vendor. 1,027 or 30 thereabout from me. You have no reason, absolutely no reason not to get this very amazing product for you. AmazePay it's called, and that will at least put you in front of your competitors, and you'll be able to see that not all things that are lost, but everything is gained when you have the right tools to actually do things that you're supposed to do. Okay, so this is exactly what this opportunity is offering you, and I will encourage you to like, comment, subscribe to my channel, and use the bell button for notifications, and definitely I will come back to you in my next review. I remain your Mike of the Mbadiwe.com, coming to you as always from here, and from me, from here guys, is goodbye.